slightly. Tesla hit a 52-week low today, now down some 52% in the past year. Shares finishing the day higher despite the broad market weakness. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, he's been a seller of that stock. Our next guest, though, bought more. Yesterday, in fact, Eric Jackson, he's the founder and president of EMJ Capital. He joins us now on the phone, as you see there. Why'd you buy more?
Well, Tuesday, Scott, was the biggest volume day trading Tesla stock of the entire year. They traded 175 million shares. Even when the CPI was up in the morning and everything was up within the first half hour, Tesla was one of the first stocks to go negative. Didn't make sense. It's not been trading with the market for the last few days. I thought something was up. So there was some big seller out there. It ended up being Elon, and now the selling is done, at least for the short term. And typically, those are good opportunities to buy.
How do you know it's done for the short term, right? I mean, when you say the selling was Elon, you said that before. You could have said that before and before again. How do you know this is it?
Well, we don't know. I mean, for the very short term, i.e. for the next month, I think he's done selling. But he's dumped almost $4 billion worth of stock now. He's sold $39 billion since November of 2021. He bought Twitter for $44 billion. So I can't predict the future, but I think he's unloaded enough stock that I think he should be okay. And for the short term, at least, I don't think there's going to be any more need for him to sell. And with the amount of selling that's gone on this year, I think it's a nice entry for Tesla.
Are you any more than a short-term holder of these shares? You've said the words short-term several times already in this short time that we've been speaking. Are you a long-termer or a short-timer?
Well, in this market, nobody's been rewarded this year for being a long-timer. And so I think you got to take everything with a grain of salt and with the macro conditions. But I have said with you before that I believe going into next year that Tesla and Apple are the two big cap tech stocks that I believe in the most for next year. So assuming the macro doesn't fall out of bed, I would love to remain a long-timer with Tesla.
Wow, it's amazing that you think that Tesla and Apple are the two to bank on. So then I'll go a step further then, assuming that you may be in it for longer than maybe I originally anticipated until you answered that question. You don't have any great concerns that other, larger shareholders, for example, have expressed about his attention being diverted towards Twitter more so than Tesla, and that's in part why the stock has suffered so greatly?
Well, despite the fact that I love Twitter, most of America, in fact, the vast majority of America is not on Twitter and is not paying attention to any of Elon's tweets. SpaceX is more than just Elon. Tesla is more than just Elon. You have to have, obviously, great engineers working at both companies to make it work. I just think this is short-term noise. The recent criticisms of him, that's going to be forgotten. Tesla is still a great car company that a lot of people are still going to want to buy going into 2023. So I think this is short-term noise.
Let me ask you about tech more broadly before I let you go. Certainly seems to be the most at risk. It has been to higher rates and a much more aggressive Fed, a higher for longer scenario, if you will. Isn't that a problem going into the new year?
It's a problem for sure. In 2022, it's been a huge problem for tech. I am optimistic, like the polls, that you mentioned right off the top, that the fact that tech has taken such a beating this year probably sets it up as a indicator for one that's going to do the best in 2023. But I'm in the Jeremy Siegel camp. I mean, I think the Fed's totally off base with their direction. They're over tightening. It's going to hurt in the long term. But eventually they're going to realize that we're going to reverse, and tech, just like they were the first into this mess, so they're going to be the first out of it.